AI tools are everywhere, from homework help to creative projects. But just like the internet, you need to use them safely and smartly. Here are the 5 essential AI safety rules every student should know. Never share personal details with AI, like your full name, address, school, phone number, or photos of your ID. AI tools don't need this to help you, and sharing too much could put you at risk. AI can be brilliant, but it can also make mistakes. Always verify facts, double-check homework answers, and ask a teacher if something seems off. Think of AI as a helper, not the final answer. AI can support your learning, but it shouldn't do the learning for you. Don't use it to copy essays, generate exam answers, or cheat. Your teachers want to see your thinking, not an AI's. What you type matters. Avoid creating harmful, rude, or disrespectful content using AI. Responsible AI use means being thoughtful about how your words and the AI's words impact others. If something feels strange, confusing, or unsafe, talk to a trusted adult. Teachers can guide you on what's allowed at school and how to use AI responsibly. With these 5 rules, you can use AI confidently, safely, and responsibly. The future is exciting, and learning how to use AI wisely is a skill that will help you for life.